Neuroplasticity, how the brain rewires itself to learn, heal, and change. Have you ever wondered if people can truly change? If bad habits can be broken? Or if the brain can heal after stress, trauma, or failure? The answer lies in a powerful ability of the brain called neuroplasticity. In this video, we will explain neuroplasticity in simple language, using everyday examples so anyone can understand how the brain changes, adapts, and grows throughout life. What is neuroplasticity? Neuroplasticity means the brain's ability to change its structure and connections. Your brain is not fixed. It is constantly rewiring itself based on what you think, what you practice, what you repeat, and what you focus on. Think of neuroplasticity as the brain's learning and repair system. Why neuroplasticity is so important? Neuroplasticity allows you to learn new skills, change habits and behaviors, recover from injury or trauma, improve memory and focus, rebuild confidence and mindset. Without neuroplasticity, growth would be impossible. How neuroplasticity works. Simple explanation. Your brain is made of neurons. Neurons communicate through connections. When you repeat an action or thought, those connections become stronger. When you stop using them, they weaken. This is why the brain follows the rule, use it or lose it. Neuroplasticity and habits. Every habit is a brain pathway. Good habits strengthen helpful pathways. Bad habits strengthen harmful pathways. When you change your behavior, the brain slowly rewires itself. This is why consistency matters more than motivation. Neuroplasticity and learning. Learning literally reshapes the brain. Every time you study, practice a skill, read, solve problems, your brain forms new connections. Mistakes are part of growth. They strengthen learning. Neuroplasticity and mental health. Neuroplasticity plays a key role in mental health. It helps the brain recover from anxiety, depression, trauma, and chronic stress. Positive experiences and therapy can reshape emotional circuits. What strengthens neuroplasticity? Some habits boost brain rewiring. Learning new things, physical exercise, quality sleep, mindfulness and meditation, healthy challenges. Growth happens when the brain is challenged, not when it is comfortable. What weakens neuroplasticity? Certain habits slow brain change. Chronic stress, repetition of negative thoughts, lack of sleep, no mental stimulation, fear of failure. A stressed brain learns slower. Neuroplasticity and age, important truth. Many people believe the brain stops changing with age. That is false. Neuroplasticity continues throughout life. Learning may slow, but it never stops. How to use neuroplasticity intentionally. You can train your brain on purpose. Replace negative thoughts with better ones. Practice new habits daily. Visualize success. Be patient with progress. Small daily actions reshape the brain over time. Neuroplasticity and personal growth. Your past does not define your brain. Your repeated actions do. When you understand neuroplasticity, change becomes possible. Final message. You are not stuck. Your brain is designed to change. With effort, repetition, and patience, your mind can become stronger, calmer, and wiser. Welcome to Psycacademy, where psychology helps you rewire your mind for growth.